Hello everyone, Mike Arnold here, co-founder of Pat Trading Partners along with Bob Iagino. Another boring day in Tesla. Maybe we'll get some movement next week. 4-hour chart, bottom of the rotation zone is right at the critical level of support, this 1431 level, so that's what we're going to be watching. A close below there. Levels are all in place still from earlier in the week, and again we're still watching 1556, so close above 1556. Bullish mode takes us to 1700, and the upward targets below 1331 takes us to bearish targets 1385, 1340. Major support coming in at 1250 now based off the 4-hour daily chart. You can see rising rotation zone still holding up, so it still does have an upside bias, but it has not broken out. It's best to wait for it to break out, because when this pattern fails, it can fail very quickly and we can get some pretty decent selling. So that's why we're waiting for that rotation above that 1556. Key support based off the daily coming in about 1290, so you could 1300. End of week wrap up. Let's see. Finally a red week. Let's just look here. Major support on the weekly. We still have this gap behind with the rising rotation zone, so major support coming in about 1200 on the weekly, and then below that we're looking at 900 in case something disastrous happened. That's really about it. It needs to break out of that range before we get anything going on. Otherwise, it's pretty much just gambling. The probabilities still favor it to the upside, but those probabilities are lowering each day. It cannot break up above that 1556 level. So we have for you on the Tesla weekly wrap up, and I hope everyone has a great week. We'll talk to everyone later. Bye for now.